Is that free tax software actually costing you a fortune? In 2026, the gap between an algorithm and an expert has never been wider. Do-it-yourself software is built for the masses, not for your specific life in Northwest Arkansas. It follows a script, but it doesn't know the strategy. Software often misses the gray area deductions, like specific home office equipment, specialized industry expenses, or the new 2026 energy credits. One wrong click can trigger an audit. In fact, do-it-yourself filers are statistically more likely to receive an IRS notice due to simple input errors that a pro would catch. The tax laws changed massively last year. If your software hasn't perfectly updated for the new OBBBA regulations, you could be overpaying by thousands. Our clients often find that our fee pays for itself. When we find just one or two missed credits, your expensive tax pro suddenly becomes your best investment. Plus, when you file with us, you get year-round support. If the IRS sends a letter in July, you aren't stuck talking to a chatbot, you're talking to us. At Starner Tax Group, we don't just input your data, we analyze it. We look for the patterns that save you money now and in the future. Don't trust your financial future to a $20 app. Trust the experts who live and work right here in Rogers. Get the professional edge this year. Book your expert review at Starner Tax Group today.